Hey beauties, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. As I said, I'm just going to be jumping on and recording. So I don't know if this video that I'm shooting now will be a video or it's going to be a vlog, but it's going to be what it's going to be. Okay, guys? But anyway, how you good beauties out there doing today? I hope you're doing wonderful. I just want to thank you for always supporting your girl. And if you're not subscribed to my page, please click the subscribe button below. Please press the like button, leave a comment below, and I hope you enjoy whatever this video becomes, okay? All right, guys, so let's get it. Hey guys, yes, I'm feeding the babies. We just got in from a walk. Look at them. That's Dice. He got so big. And this is Chanel. Chanel is still a little tiny thing. Yes, but Dice is just here for a few days for the holidays. Say, right? I came to see my mommy. I came to see her. So guys, what I started doing was I started taking my sewing machine outside with me so I can get some things done, being that I love to be out there. I just love to be out in the sun. The scenery is beautiful, so I just love to be out there. The dogs love it out there. And little Dice here, he's used to being in the house with the big backyard, running around. So he wants to spend most of his time outside. So I try to go out there and sit and do whatever's out there. However, guys, like you know, I've been waiting a while for my couch. I finally got my sofa. Beautiful. I love it to death. I spent a lot of time on it. I spent a lot of time on it. I will be doing a video to show you guys as well. It might be this video, who knows? Maybe I'll just show you it in the video because I need some ideas. Maybe you guys give me some ideas on what type of rug I should get, painting I should get, because that's what I need for the space. I'm gonna show y'all in this video, okay? But anyhow, I'm waiting for as well my bed. I ordered my bed back in April. Matter of fact, it wasn't even in April. In March. In March, I ordered my bed, end of March. I was told I would get it in end of April. They kept changing it. They changed it 3 times after that. So I was supposed to get it on the 7th of this month. They called me on the 3rd of this month and said that my bed was in for pickup. And I'm like, pickup? I'm waiting for delivery. So now I'm waiting for the lady to call me back. You know, the holiday was yesterday, 4th of July. So they were closed. So I had to wait till today. Today is July 5th. So now I have to wait till they open up. I have to wait until they open up to call them back to find out what's going on, because you're going to give me some free delivery or you're going to give me a discount, but you're going to give me something, okay? See, I waited long enough because I'm very patient. Those that know me know I'm very patient, but I just felt like something was weird about that. I felt like my order came in and someone else ordered the same thing, and they may have been complaining or whatever, and they gave my order to them, because I know these things happen, okay? So now it let me waiting almost 5 months for my freaking bed. That don't make no sense. So I need to be compensated in some form, some way, some cheddar to make a girl feel better. Well, anyhow, guys, I want to show you guys the sofa. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you, and I need some ideas. I need to know what colors should I bring in. I need some ideas. I need to know what colors I should bring into the space as far as a rug. Should I use a rug? Some paintings on the wall. Should it be one big piece behind the sofa? Should it be two? Should it be three? I just want to hear you guys' ideas. Maybe it'll help lead me or open up my vision for the rest of the space. Okay, so here we go.
Oh my mate, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, Paco Pabago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my.
Okay, guys, so that is how my sofa looks. I absolutely love it. I am in love with this sofa. When I tell you, when I seen it, I loved it. However, when I went into the store to view this, it was a full sectional. I wanted the full sectional so bad. The full sectional looks stunning. However, because I'm in the apartment, I cannot fit all the pieces in here. So they have it where you can just pick selected pieces. So these were the two pieces I picked. I picked I believe this was the left arm chaise and the right arm sofa. And I put them together and it's magical. And another thing I love about this set is the fact that you can either have your headrest up or you can flip it down. So I can have that seamless look going all the way across. I can even put something up there, a tray with some accessories, whatever I want to do, or just leave it. I can have this side flipped up and the rest down. I can have all of them up. I can have them all of them up, which gives it a complete different look. Or I can have them all down, or I could just have those up and this side down. That's what I love about it. I love about it. Yes, it's so beautiful. In the legs, I just love those sleek legs, the black chrome legs. Oh my God, I love it. It gives off like a dark gray, like a still dark gray color. It gives off that color. I love it. And I didn't even realize that the pillows, these are my pillows. They will be available on my website, www.momentsbynomis.com. Above, they will be available on my website when I launch my website. These beauties, they're so beautiful. They're so soft. They can be used on your sofas. They can be used on the bed because they're so soft and stretchy and comfortable. I love them. It's that crushed velvet. I absolutely love them. So guys, I hope you will visit my website. You can go in there now and just sign up your email. So you can sign up with using your email so that you can get the notifications when I'm about to launch the web, and you can be one of the first ones to order. Yes, I love it. Okay, guys, so let's get back to the deal. What do you guys think about a rug? So I'm sorry. So my battery went dead. But anyhow, it measured 12. I think I measured 12 by 10 or 12 by 8 or something like that. 11 by 8, 12 by 8, one of those sizes I measured. We shouldn't even be talking about measurements, but we are. Which is a good thing because you are supposed to measure. That is why I waited first to get my sofa, because although I could take the measurements of the room, the measurements of the sofa, and kind of work around it if need be, but I just felt it would be better for me to see. I just felt it would be better for me to just see the sofa in the space and then order the rug, then order the painting. It doesn't matter which one I choose first, whether I choose the rug first or the painting first, because either way, they're going to feed off of each other. So if I get the rug first, then I pull the colors out of the rug for the painting. If I get the painting first, then I pull the colors out of the painting for the rug. And that's how usually I operate. Sofa is like a grayish color. It's like a tweed, different shades of grays. Light gray, medium gray, and dark gray. I know, I'm not sure if you're, let me flip it. I'm not sure what color it is showing on the camera, but that is the color of it. Do I keep skipping over back? Do I keep just leaving the rug? Am I jumping? I just keep leaving the rug situation, right? Guys, just give me some ideas on colors to incorporate in this space. Also, painting up here above the sofa. Should I have 3 pieces because there are 3 pieces on the sofa? Should I have one huge piece here? And I have to keep in mind of this here. This intercom system here. I got to keep in mind of that. Anyhow, let me know, guys, let me know if it should be 1 piece, 1 huge piece, 3 small pieces of artwork. Should it be mirrors? Don't know. Should it be mirrors? It could be mirrors. It could be artwork, or it can be a painting or like art decor piece. Let me know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what I should go with. Okay, guys? Well, until next time, beauties. Thank you for watching Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. Bye-bye.